What happened to the lights? Bro, where's the lights at?
The lights just went out. Fellas, is the hallway supposed to look that way and sound that way?
Oh crap, he's here.
I told you not to take the baby, you idiot. He's coming for us. He's going to kill us. Told you we should have taken something else, you idiot.
Oh great, now he's not saying anything. You don't know what that means? Wait, what's that mean?
Well, great. Well, I'll be finding out what you wanted, and now we're all likely dead.
Look at the dude, he's just standing there menacingly. Yep, we're all dead. Thanks to one guy in this room who is an absolute idiot. Hey, come on, man. I thought we needed a kid, man, for an experiment.
Yeah, thanks to you, we're all gonna die.
Look at the dude, he's just standing there menacingly.